Hello everybody, good morning to you all and also peace be upon you all. Today, yesterday we have seen multiplication of integers, how to multiply. Today we will see division of integers. First, let's see the signs, how to divide the signs and what will be the result when we divide the signs. Plus divided by plus will be plus, minus divided by minus will be plus, then minus divided by plus is equal to minus, and plus divided by minus is equal to minus. Simple thing you have to remember. Then you will not try, if you remember the simple thing, you will not write wrong answer. You will write the correct answer. Division of same sign is plus. Division of same sign is plus, and division of different sign is minus. If you divide the same sign, result will be positive. If you divide the different sign, result will be negative. We'll see some more things in division. Keep in mind, anything divided by 1 will give you anything. Anything divided by 1 is anything. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. Is not defined. 0 by anything. 0 by anything is 0. Also keep in mind, a to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. And also keep in mind. Now we take some examples based on that and try to learn how to divide it. Suppose question is 6 minus 6 divided by minus 6 divided by plus 3, minus 6 divided by 3. Here sign is minus and here sign is plus. This is question of different sign, division of different sign. This is minus, if sign is not mentioned, sign is plus, we all know. Now, if division of different sign is minus, 3 ones are 3 twos are, answer will be minus 2. Suppose minus 10 divided by minus 5. Here signs are same. This is question of division of same sign, and we know division of same sign is plus. You will get result in plus. 5 ones are 5 twos are, answer will be plus 2. Important. Suppose it is 20 divided by 5. Suppose this is positive, this is also positive. Both the sign of numerator is positive and sign of denominator is also positive. Division of same sign is positive. So result will be in positive. 5 ones up, 5 fours up, you will get answer as plus 4. Sometime It will come like this. In between the solution, you will get like this sometime. Minus of minus 20 divided by minus 5. Suppose you got like this. Now, here in the numerator, first we have to multiply the sign. Minus into minus will be plus. Then we will get result as 20. Minus into minus plus. If plus is the sign, you no need to mention. And if minus is the sign, if you do not mention, it is wrong. Keep in mind, it's very important. If minus is the sign, in the answer you have to mention that sign. If you do not mention, it will be considered as wrong answer. If it is in plus, if you do not write, then also it is correct. Divided by minus 5. Now, see here. Now this becomes question of division of different signs. One is plus, another is minus. So result will be minus. Division of different sign is minus. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Answer will be minus 4. Keep in mind how to do that one. Now we will see some of the questions on variables also. Suppose 2x divided by x. 2x divided by x. What will happen? This x ones are x ones are. Get cancelled. X ones are x ones are. 2 into 1 is 2. This will be the answer. Suppose one more example. 3x cube divided by x square. 3x cube divided by x square. What will happen? There are two ways we can solve. 3x cube will be as it is. 3x cube will be as it is. When you transfer the denominator value to the numerator, what will happen? If it is plus, it will become minus. X to the power of minus. If it is plus, it will become minus in the numerator. Same case with the denominator. Suppose if you are transferring one value from numerator to the denominator, its sign will change. Keep in mind. Now 3 will be as it is. Now one more thing we can learn here. If bases are same, powers can be added or subtracted. If bases are same, powers can be added or subtracted. Here bases are same. These two powers can be subtracted because one sign is plus, another is minus. So I will write the base first. Then I can subtract these two. 3 minus 2. What is the answer? 3x to the power of 1. If it is actually power of 1, we don't need to write it. Keep in mind one more thing. A to the power of 1 is A. Anything to the power of 1 is anything. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Keep in mind. Like this you can get the answer. If power is 1, you no need to write. You no need to mention it. Okay? Now, this question can also be solved like this directly. I will show you in detail. This I show you in detail. Now, what you can do from x cube, this x square, and from x cube only x square get cancelled. Then remaining will be 3x. Like this also you can write it. Keep in mind. Like in these problems also, the variable type problem also, there may be a question of sign like this. Minus 5 x to the power of 4 divided by x. This is negative and this is positive. As we know, division of different sign is negative. So signs are different. Answer will be minus. So what will happen? X to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1 get cancelled. If 1 x to the power of 1 is cancelled, here 3 will remain. Answer will be 5x cubed. You should know all these things, how to divide. One more thing we will learn today. Here you can see 3 ones are 3 twos are directly cancelled. Sometimes it will be like this. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. Now, 1 is not a multiple of 5. 1 is not a multiple of 5. First of all, this one. And one more thing, if it is like this, what we can do is, we have to do like this, 0 point. After taking 0 point, we can take 1 0 here and 5 ones are 5 twos are. Answer will be 0.2. One more thing I will show you. 1 divided by 5. You have to see that numerator is less than denominator. The value of numerator is less than denominator. If it is like this, what we need to do is, first we have to take 0 point and we have to increase 1 0 here. We have to add it. Then we can divide. 5 ones are 5 twos are. I will show you one more thing. Suppose 4 divided by 50. Suppose 4 divided by 50. As I show you here, numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Now in this case also, what we need to do is 0 point, then we can take 1 0 here. See here, after taking 0 point and 0 here, then also we cannot divide. It is not possible. Again, after taking 0 here, numerator is less than denominator. If it is like this, then you have to increase 1 0 here, also 1 0 here. This is important. Now, this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 eights are 40. Answer will be 0.08. This is how we have to solve that one. See here, one more thing. Some students do mistake like this. 12 divided by 22. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Wrong. It is not correct. If you do like that, people will laugh on you. It's not correct. Actually, what is it? This is 40 divided by 50. Okay. As I show you here, this example I will show here. See, it is 40 divided by 400 divided by 50. What is it? 400 can be written as 40 into 10 and 50 can be written as 5 into 10. This 10 ones are get cancelled. 40 by 5 is remaining. 5 ones are 5 eights are. Like this. So that is important. You cannot cancel like this. If it is 0, you can cancel. That is the main reason we are doing. We are cancelling that 0 and 0 here. Now I hope you understand all the things which I explained just now. Okay, this is related to division of integers. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. You can write. Okay, I will solve your problem. With any question, just write the question. I will give the answer, inshallah. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, Amir sir, Asghar sir, and don't forget to like, comment or share with your students and your friends also. Thank you very much for listening.